Yeah, perfect. I think them bad boys are ready to come on.
Oysters coming up.
Or it could be gas or even suggested. Oh, and the front. I'll give it to you, sir. Yeah.
或者说大猪蹄就是一个很传统的东西，可能只有某几家会卖
Hey guys,
不会做别的。
first of all, I do mukbangs.
There's one time we were in a restaurant and this one
Hey
woman that
guys,
was sitting
today
behind
is
us.
at the festival, and I'm getting ready to work on this bad
behind us for
boy.
like maybe 20 minutes or so
And,
in the other booth. Finally,
this
she got
festival
it
is
when she left. I
Oktoberfest.
think she thought he was talking to himself.
So I got a big old turkey
You know, because
leg.
all you hear him just talking. He's not talking to me.
Never tried this before, so this is the first.
She left and went to another side.
And so, second of all,
Yeah.
I want to thank
But you
everybody
know what?
for
The turkey like
supporting
these
me.
really need to show off.
Finally hit 400. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. And this way I'm sharing my turkey leg with everybody. So, guys, take the first bite and let's go for it. First time trying this, guys. Really.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Good? It's good.
I need some peanut butter.
Go get one.
I'm trying to tell you. It took me a while before I decided to try this.
I don't know if I can
Is it good?
Good one, Pete?
My teeth will probably come off in it. Tender.
Good try.
Good.
It's good, very tender.
Oh. You smoked one?
The smoke, yeah. I got, you can see the smoke ring.
Ah.
Very tender, guys.
And the wife is eating her calamari.
Calamari.
Yeah.
In the eye. I don't know if I have enough now. Get some zucchini.
Yeah, she started off looking for zucchini. She got ended up getting calamari. This is real good.
Very tender.
Yeah. You want a bite?
Very nice talking to you guys.
Yes,
You
guys
too,
enjoy
my
yourself
dears.
now.
Have a
Take
good
care.
day.
Yeah, enjoy.
You guys got to go try one now.
Yeah.
Good.
Go see that.
She was so cute. I actually took a picture of her. She was so cute. So nice.
That's good.
I think this is another day we're not going to eat dinner again.
I know. Just like yesterday.
I wonder how much money I have. I think I'll go run over there and get zucchini.
Where? Over?
Yeah,
Same
I
place?
think it's just across the way, isn't it?
Is
No,
it?
because here they don't have it, do they?
No. I don't think I think it's down this other way, right?
I think it's straight across, isn't it?
Because the kettle corn is down the street.
Is it where the kettle corn is?
Yeah. Then when we first stopped at maybe well, you could try to cross over there and see.
I'll be back.
Don't forget I got your card.
Oh, okay. Don't lose it.
Nah, just get it replaced.
See how much money I have. I think I have enough. $7, huh?
Yeah, it could be enough.
Okay. I'll be back.
You want another 5? Just in case?
Just in case. But I think I have it.
This bad boy costs about $12 for all of this meat. So guys, it's gonna be a quick one. Hopefully you guys enjoying your Sunday. As you can see, I'm enjoying mine at the festival. Eating my turkey leg. Hi guys, it's Garrett. Again, thank you guys for helping me hit 400. Deuces guys. See you guys on the flip side. Bye now.